Today we're going to review the Godox ms200. So let's see what's in the box. Directions, cloth, always styrofoam. And here we are with the unit that we're looking for. So here it is. Godox ms200. I use an ms200 and an ms300 at the same time in the studio so that I can get a little bit difference in my lights without having to make a lot of changes. So we're going to set up the Godox ms200, and I'm going to use the receiver to show you guys how to set them up to make them work together. Alright, so we got this plugged up. We're going to turn it on. You can see the power. It shows behind it. Alright, then we're going to take our receiver and turn it on. So we set our transmitter to channel 1. This is set to channel 1. So now whenever I go in here, this is set to flash A, channel 1. So I'm going to take my receiver. And now as I dial the changes, you'll be able to see this change. Half power, going up to 16th power, to 1/32 power. So you can see that change. I'm controlling that all from here. And you can control with different lights. That was channel A. You've got B, C for however many lights you've got going. So if I've got my main light as A, I just switch this to A and control the power here. If I need to change B, I just click B and dial it around for it. To take this off, there's a button. You just kind of pull and twist, and you can see your strobe here. And we'll just fire it real quick. So it does work. Came out of the box, so that's good. It works. But I will put a reflector on here and go from there. This is the receiver. If you want, so there you go. There you can see your settings. So just on down the line, A to E. Okay, well, for helping you guys out, please hit subscribe. Y'all have a good day.